Let's test our knowledge as investors together and see what we know. What's up, guys? It's your boy Ty, and I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to stop by my channel to show me some love. Make sure you hit that like button. Please hit that like button. It really helps me out. It helps this video find new viewers, and it helps with the YouTube algorithm so this video can stay in rotation on YouTube. Make sure you go ahead and consider subscribing to the channel if you are new, and hit that notification bell because I always have plenty to talk about. My channel is all about making sure people are aware of the different avenues to get a piece of the pie. We're on Investor.gov, an official website of the United States government, U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. So this is a website that's sponsored by the government, good old government. All right, so they have investing quiz questions. And when I saw this, I was like, man, I gotta share it with my subscribers, and we can, maybe do some more quizzes up here. I think it's a great idea because I do think knowledge is key when it comes to investing, when it comes to anything. For real, knowledge is power. That's a fact. The more you know, the more you're going to be able to do. And I want to make sure that people are on the same page, same wavelength when it comes to this investing. So this is the first time I'm going to be going down these questions. Hopefully I don't get anything wrong. I'm going to have to burn the video if I do. But we're going to go ahead and go through these questions together, and we're going to dissect them to test our investing knowledge as investors. So, investing quiz, question 1. A coworker encourages Jade to invest money in an opportunity guaranteed to pay a return of 12% per year. Guaranteed. What should Jade do? And you guys let me know how y'all do on these questions too. All right, let's go down to the answers. Immediately invest. Research if any celebrities have endorsed the program. Only invest if other coworkers have already invested. Ignore the opportunity. So let's dissect this a little bit. First off, you should never immediately invest into anything. You don't know anything about it, so you're not gonna immediately put your money with someone. That's like giving a stranger your money and you not even knowing what they will do with your money. So A is no, negative. Research if any celebrities endorse the program. Okay, still, you don't know what the program is. I don't care who's endorsing it, because at the end of the day, sometimes celebrities just want to pump and dump. They put their name on something, or they might even be paid to put their name behind something. They get endorsements just like athletes. People can be paid to promote a certain stock or crypto, because you guys have been seeing a lot of that, especially with crypto. Only invest if coworkers have already invested. That doesn't mean anything either. They could have just put their money into somewhere that's gonna lose their money. Some place that's unsafe. Just because they doing it, that doesn't mean that I'm gonna do it too. Ignore the opportunity. So, what do you guys think? I'm gonna go ahead and put ignore the opportunity. Score 1. Got it right. And it's 10 questions. So again, we're going to go through these 10 questions, and you guys let me know how y'all do. I'm going to dissect them and break them down, let y'all know what I think, and then I'm going to hit whatever I think. All right, investing quiz question 2. An index fund is a type of mutual fund or ETF that seeks to track the returns of a market index. The management of index funds is usually more active than the management of non-index funds, which translate into more trading of the fund's portfolio, less favorable income tax consequences, lower realized capital gains, and higher fees and expenses than non-index funds. All right, so you're talking about an ETF or a mutual fund. They track an index. A lot of these ETFs and mutual funds have set investing plans. They have a prospectus which lays out the details of what the fund is doing, what the fund can and can't invest into, and how they're gonna, liquidate some money, how much money they're gonna keep liquid, how much money they're gonna keep in the fund, who gets paid what. That's all detailed in the prospectus. So I can say this: an ETF and mutual fund, it says it right here, it follows a market index. So it already has what it's gonna invest into laid out. Is not active. Active is more so someone has your money and they're gonna trade in and out of stocks. That's a little more active. So I'm gonna hit false on this. False. Oh, got it right. All right. So investing quiz question 3. A family member encourages Jade to invest money in an opportunity guaranteed to pay a return of 12% a year. What should Jade do? Here they go messing with Jade again. Come on, man. Leave Jade alone. And it's the same thing. Should Jade immediately invest? Research if any celebrities have endorsed the program. Only invest if other family members have already invested, or ignore the opportunity. So coworkers, family members, it doesn't matter. I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to ignore the opportunity. Got a score of 3 so far. Investing quiz question 4. The past performance of a mutual fund is a good indicator of future results. Okay, now look. Past results don't guarantee future results. Simple, plain, simple as that. What if something went up 100% last year? I shouldn't invest into it and think that I'm going to get that same 100% this year. That's any investment. So, sometimes it's good to look at that, but it doesn't guarantee that that's what you're going to get. So I'm going to hit false. Oh, I got it right too. Oh man, I'm on a roll. Investing quiz question 5. Watch I mess up on this one or something. A member of Jade's religious community encouraged Jade to invest money in an opportunity guaranteed to pay a return of 12%. What should Jade do? All right, now. Again, they keep coming at Jade. They want Jade to invest. Come on, Jade. Put your money right here. Jade, we're going to ignore these opportunities. Investing quiz question 6. Which is the best example of paying yourself first? Opening a new investment account to get a free share of stock, getting reward points from credit card spending, making a one-time contribution to a 529 college saving plan, allowing a bank to automatically remove money from each paycheck and deposit it into a saving or investment account. All right, this is a no-brainer. You talking about paying yourself first. Hopefully everybody has direct deposit. And a lot of times, your money goes just as fast as you put it in. Depends on your bills and things like that. You can pay yourself first by setting up an automatic withdrawal. I have a savings account and I have an automatic withdrawal every paycheck that, a certain amount is going into that savings account. or a certain amount is going into my investing account. I have those type of automatic withdrawals set up, so I'm gonna go with the bottom one. Up 6. Come on, man, I'm killing it. All right. Investing quiz question 7. A financial professional who Jade has known for years encourages Jade to invest money into an opportunity guaranteed to pay 12% a year. What should Jade do? So she has known this financial professional for years. And they're a financial professional. They're not my financial professional. I'm ignoring the opportunity. 7. They keep coming at Jade, man. We're going to have to keep giving them the stiff arm on them. All right. So investing quiz question 8. If disclosure reported appears in red during a search of an investment professional on Investor.gov, you shouldn't click on full report. To get details on the compliant sanctions or judgment filed against the investment professional. All right. So I guess you looking for a professional and you found them, and it has a disclosure report, and it's saying you should click on full report to get the details. Yeah, it sounds like if it's some of us a professional and they have something on Investor.gov, I would think we would look into that. You tell us you got a disclosure report. Man, what kind of stuff you got going on? And if it's on Investor.gov, this is a government website. So I'm saying, yeah, we should click on full report to get the details. Let's see. 8. I got it right. All right. Again, this is the first time I'm taking this quiz with y'all. All right. Investing quiz question 9. We almost there. Jade's most trustworthy and financial savvy friend encourages Jade to invest money in an opportunity guaranteed to pay a return of 12% per year. What should Jade do? Y'all know what Jade should do. Yeah, y'all can hear me talk about, this investment is a great investment, but that's why I always said this isn't financial advice, right? Because at the end of the day, you need to take your time and go through and look through the investments yourself. So it doesn't matter who you are talking to. We're going to go ahead and ignore the opportunity. But you can't hire a financial advisor, Investing quiz question 10. Affinity fraud refers to investment scams that prey upon members of identifiable groups, such as religious or ethnic communities, the elderly, or professional groups. I'm going to hit true. All right. So that last question there was just easy. Fraud, some people do prey on certain groups of people to try to get you to invest in certain things. There are a lot of scams out here. So I got an excellent see you next month. I'm gonna have to start doing these videos every month too when they put them out, because it is the government putting this out. But the main moral that they hammered across most of those questions was, don't take investment advice from anybody. Make sure you do your due diligence and you know what you're about to invest into. You research what you're about to invest into, because at the end of the day, you're putting your money somewhere. So you need to make sure you understand what you're getting into. As a lot of YouTubers, myself included, a lot of people on social media that, they all think they know what's the best thing to invest into. And to their defense, you should always be, confident in whatever you invest into. So, we do videos and we're talking about what we're investing into with confidence, because, that's our investment plan, or that's that person's investment plan. But if you think you see something that is, helpful, or might be something you want to get into and invest into, make sure you understand it. Make sure you understand it before you put your money wherever. Make sure you understand it. Not just because, someone is dropping a video about this stock or about this crypto, or somebody is on your social media page talking about this crypto or that crypto, or your friends are talking about this stock, that stock. Make sure you understand why it is you're about to put your money into that investment. And that's the main thing they hammered across in these 10 questions. All right. So they give a nice breakdown afterwards in case anybody missed anything. But you was with me, Yeah, I got them all right this month. I got them all right. And I think I'm going to do more quizzes, because at the end of the day, I do think, as I said, knowledge is power. And I want everybody to be aware of the different avenues to get a piece of the pie. I appreciate y'all checking me out. Come back and see me. Peace.